All right, everyone. We can use many different libraries for generating random numbers. This is going to cover random module of Python's standard library. We are going to access it with import random. All right. And if we just want to generate one random number, we can use you can access its methods or functions available with random.tab. It is going to give you a bunch of options, and the one that I'm going to, let's see, focus on is rand int. All right. I want to generate a random number between 1 and 10, but I don't know if 1 and 10 are included or not. So I can put rand int question mark, and it is going to say return random number in range of a and b, including both endpoints. So this includes endpoints. All right. So I'm going to go back here. This is not like range function. All right. 1 and 10, it is going to give me different random numbers. All right. You see that it is giving me um, different random numbers every time I run it. But I don't usually look for just one. I look for more than one. So I'm going to say RND is random numbers is equal to, I can use list comprehension, random.rand int of 1 to 10 for underscore, or for items, for item in range of 1000. This is going to generate 1000 random numbers. So if I say print rnds, I mean, it's unnecessary. 1000 random numbers. All right. So I'm going to get rid of this. Instead, I'm going to show you how we can plot these. All right. So for plotting, you need to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. All right. And we can say plt dot. Because I want to plot histograms, I'm going to just say hist of what? Hist of rnds. You can do this. This is, oh, there we go. And it's not a big surprise that it is a uniform because between 1 to 10, right? It's not a big surprise. Well, if you want to prettify this, you can say color equal to, what happened? Color equal to blue. I mean, it's blue, but it's boring, ugly blue. So it's going to be prettier. You can add a little bit of bells and whistles. You can say alpha equal to 0.6. This is going to make blue different. You see that this is transparency level. All right. When you have multiple of them on top of each other, this is very helpful. You can well, next plt.x label is going to be x values. All right. Plt data y label is going to be equal to frequency. All right. Plt data title is going to be histogram of how many, whichever number, 10,000, 1000 random numbers from uniform between 1 to 10. All right. And oh, what happened? Oh, I forgot the parentheses, and there we go. All right. Let me see. That is pretty good. Now, what other functions do you have? Well, you can just look at random data. You have Gaussian. You can look at Gaussian, which is normal. If I put question mark here, it is going to say Gaussian distribution. You can explore them a little bit yourself. Okay, you can explore them yourself. Random data. There should be a random dot rand int and random. Right. This is going to be uniform between 0 and 1. Random data. Yeah, so this is random library. You can explore it yourself. All right. And anything that you don't know, there are not that many of these functions. Anything you don't know, choices, I can put question mark in front of it. All right. So you can explore it a little bit.